So in today's maths class, we will do the simplification of fractions. We know that the fraction form is a form in which there is a numerator and denominator. So let's solve few questions to revise the concepts. So we have the question 2x divided by 3 is equal to 3x minus 2 divided by 4. So you can see that this is the fraction form and this is also a fraction form. So whenever there is a question in the fraction form, we do the cross multiplication. So cross multiplication means that 2x will be multiplied with 4. The numerator will be multiplied with the denominator of other side of the fraction. Other side means because there is a is equal to sign in between. So these are two different fractions. So the numerator of one fraction will be divided to the denominator of another fraction. And similarly, the numerator of another fraction will be divided with the denominator of the first fraction form. So now let's see how we can write this. So as you can see that 2x is multiplied with 4, 2x multiplied by 4 is equal to 3 is multiplying with 3x minus 2. So 3 is multiplying with 3x minus 2. Now simply we will multiply both of the forms on both sides to finally get the value of x. So let's solve the question. Now 2x multiplied by 4 is equal to 8x. Then we have 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9x. Then we have minus 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Now in order to find the value of x, we will keep minus 6 on the same side where it is, but we will bring 9x to the other side of the equation. So 9x will be subtracted on the other side. So the new form of equation will be 8x minus 9x is equal to minus 6. Now 8x minus 9x is equal to minus x because minus is with the greater number. So we will keep the sign of the greater number, and on the other side of is equal to we had minus 6, so minus 6 is here. Now in order to find the value of x, we will just cancel out the minus sign on the both sides. So the minus sign is cancelled out because there is an is equal to sign in between. So minus will be cancelled out. And finally, we will have the value of x, that is 6. So this was one of the fraction form question. Let's solve another question. Now we have another question, that is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is equal to 4x divided by 4. So in the previous question, we discussed that in the fraction form questions, we do the cross multiplication. So 2x minus 1 will be multiplying with 4, and similarly 4x will be multiplying with 3. Now let's solve this question. Now 2x minus 1 is multiplying with 4 here, and 4x is multiplying with 3 here. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8x, x sign is here or x variable is here, and similarly 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, and we had the minus sign in between of this bracket, so we kept the minus sign here as it is. Now on the other side of the is equal to 4 is multiplying with 3, so 4 multiplied by 3 is 12x. Now we will take the 4 to the other side of equation, and we will bring the 12 to the other side of equation to find the value of x. Now we have minus 4x is equal to 4. So we will keep the minus 4 on the other side. We will bring the minus 4 on the other side, and then we will finally find the value of x. So we have the minus sign here. So on the other side, we will have the minus 1 as an answer. So x is equal to minus 4 divided by 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. Then we will have x is equal to minus 1. So this was another cross multiplication question. We had the question in the fraction form on both sides. So we did the cross multiplication, and then we simplified the question to finally find the value of x, that is x is equal to minus 1. Now we will solve another question of this topic. So keep in touch, subscribe the channel and press the bell notification for future videos.